This is Star, a gentle little horse who loves to smile and explore. Today, Star is starting a brand new adventure in a sunny meadow filled with flowers. Star trots happily across the meadow. Butterflies dance in the air, and the soft grass makes every step feel light and free. Star reaches a sparkling river. The water ripples gently, and a friendly frog hops onto a rock to say hello. Star wanders into an enchanted forest, glowing with fireflies. Along the path, a curious rabbit and a playful squirrel join the adventure. Together, Star and friends discover a magical treasure chest. Inside, golden horseshoes shimmer with a warm, happy glow. At the end of the day, Star, the rabbit, and the squirrel rest peacefully under the twinkling night sky, dreaming of tomorrow's adventures.